Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2029 at Penang Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan, the in-room breakfast dining menu. Here we have the master light switch for the room together with the do not disturb switch. Here we have the ironing board and iron with a shelf above for storage. While here we have the sliding door to access the wardrobe. Down below we have the in-room zippers. Right above we have hangers, bathrobes, a torchlight, and another shelf right above for storage. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have a huge mirror. It is pretty much floor to ceiling. Hello. And this mirror actually acts as a door to the bathroom. Speaking of the bathroom, here it is. We have the bathtub to the right with the bath mat. We have the sink right there with the bin. I believe that's the hair dryer. We have towels, box of tissues, more towels. That wooden box right there is for the bathroom amenities. There we have lotion, a bar of soap, a couple of glasses. We have a power outlet right there, shaving mirror, and we have more mirrors surrounding the sink area. Here we have a towel together with the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. Right there we have the usual shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Here we have the toilet with an extra toilet roll right there. One more toilet roll right there to use. And we have hooks right above. From the bathroom, we can actually look into the bedroom. But if you want more privacy, you can always close that sliding door right there. There we have a shelf for storage, place to hang items on, place to put your luggage, drawer, storage below with the weighing scale. Here we have bottles of water, coffee pots, the coffee machine. Here we have snacks, all the tea and coffee making stuff, mugs, glasses, spoons and whatnot. There we have the kettle with a storage shelf. And here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but you still have space to put your own items in there. And from what I remember, the first round of drinks that are in the fridge are complimentary. We have the bin down there. It is a dual bin setup, so we have the regular waste to the left and the recyclable waste to the right. There we have a flat screen LG TV together with the desk area, a chair, the welcome amenities with chocolates, fruits, and I believe some snacks. There we have some storage spaces, a light, and we have lights behind the panel right there. And we have a pretty much very long sofa area with a table. And the king size bed is right there. It is very comfortable. On the left bedside table, we have a drawer for storage, the TV remote, TV guide below the remote. And there we have all the various light switches for the room with a couple of power outlets and a couple of USB-A ports. We have a bedside light right there, a light behind the headboard, And like I said, you can close this door if you want more privacy. There we have the climate control panel with a power outlet down below. And on the right bedside table, we have another drawer, writing materials, clock, in-room telephone, more light switches, more power outlets, and more USB-A ports, and a light. As for the view out, we can see the hotel that is next to Penang Marriott, the Escort Hotel in the distance, all the various condominiums and buildings in the distance as well. We can see Gurney Drive down there, the park that is new, that is built beside Gurney Drive, and we can see the water in the distance as well. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2029 at Penang Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.